Alright, I'm going to show you how you can exclude specific values with the COUNTIF function in Excel. So here we have some simple data. We just have a bunch of colors listed. Basically what we want to do is we want to count all of these colors excluding the color red. So we'll notice that red is in here a couple of times. So the first step is to create a cell where you can add the value you would like to exclude. So we'll just add this exclude column and we'll say we want to exclude red, and then this adjacent cell will be our total count. So obviously we can see that there are 14 total values here, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reds. So ideally this formula is going to return 9 when we exclude the color red. So what we can do is type equals COUNTIF. Our range is going to be our data, or all of our values, comma, our criteria. What we're going to do is do quote less than or greater than quote. And in Excel, basically this means not equal to. So we want to count all the values in this range that are not equal to red. So we'll type and then we'll select that cell. And then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and we'll notice that the count was 9. Now, let's say that we want to change this to exclude blue. We can see blue is here 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So we should come up with 10 once we exclude blue. And so our formula will automatically update based on whatever value we add to this cell. But there you have it. Pretty quick and simple, but that's how you can exclude specific cells with COUNTIF in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button on your way out. It really helps me so much. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.